Okay, so we're making slime today. I already put my stuff in there. So first we gonna need some soap. First we gonna need some dish detergent. You can put a little or a little bit. I put a little bit. Then I put my pink food color. In there. 1 drop or 2, no matter. Now I'm gonna start mixing. This is all you need. You guys, this is all you need. Okay, so I'm mixing. It's coming already together, as I can see. Okay, you guys, look at it. It's pink now. It worked. You guys, it worked. Okay, let me bring it down close to me. You guys, look at that. You see that? It worked, you guys. Okay, so my slime turned out awesome. Y'all can see that. My slime turned out awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do this with my hand now. Because but it's sticky. Yeah. Okay. Slime. So as you can see, I'm playing with my slime now. So as y'all can see, my slime turned out awesome. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And watch the rest of my videos. And maybe we'll probably do another video about slime. It'll probably be just this color because I love this color. It's cute. Okay, subscribe, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching Jake Gang. Keep hitting folks on those head and keep dabbing on those head. And go subscribe to Jake Paul channel. You guys, this vlog went so freaking awesome. And it's so decent. So you guys, I'm gonna use this fork now because I like using a fork. Like real super decent. Okay, you guys go subscribe, like, and comment on my video. And I'm gonna use the tip now. Okay, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Turn on the notifications. This is the end of the video. And folks, no faders. Deuces, we out.